Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host, Gamer, and today we look at a few things in Windows 11. My Corsair K55 RGB keyboard works fine in Windows 10, and then when I put it on Windows 11, the lights turn off, it beeps, and then the lights turn on, it beeps, so it connects, disconnects all the time. And if I uninstall the ICUE software, well, I still have a working keyboard, I just don't have any lights coming through it. So that's a bit of a pain. I've been looking forward to Corsair fixing that. That would be great. Now, while I was doing that, I looked up sticky keys, because that's one of the troubleshooting things. Do you have sticky keys activated? What are sticky keys? Well, you can go into the settings of your keyboard, and there's some functionality there where you can select different options. But basically, you know how you go Control Alt Delete? Well, if you press the Shift key 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, beep, it beeps, right? And then you can go Control, press, Alt, press, and Delete, press. You don't have to do it all at one time. That's the sticky keys. So that may come into handy for some things. And if you press Shift 5 times again, 4 or 5 times, I can't remember, you hear a beep again and it turns it off. All right. So another thing I've discovered on Windows 10 and Windows 11 is if you hold down the Windows key and press D, that's desktop, and that'll take you right to the desktop. Because I've been using Windows 11 the last few days, and I was finding that a bit, frustrating. So I researched how to get back to the desktop more easily, and so that's the easiest way. Otherwise, in Windows 11, you can go clear over to the bottom on the right, and you may see a little box pop up that says desktop, and you left click, and then it takes you straight there. That's another way to do it. Okay, and you can also move everything from your the centered taskbar. You can just have it move it over if you want, which I've done. Just makes for more room to put stuff, and I have it auto hiding, so it pops down. Yeah. And did you know about sticky notes? Well, I was researching sticky keys, and I saw sticky notes. And what is it? It's like a post note. Right there, see that? All right. Well, I'm going to go through that with you. Sit right back, have a cup of coffee, and we'll get into it. Well, let's have a look at sticky notes, which you can do in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. You just want to search. So go to the bottom left. In both operating systems, you can either left or right click. You want to do a search. So just go up there and sticky space, and it comes up, sticky notes app. Click that, and what do you know? Okay, so I can add another one if I want, like have fun today. Okay, just a reminder, and then we can place it anywhere we like. We can actually make it big or small, resize, whatever you want to do. Okay, so you can have these sticky notes up on wherever you want. Say, let's for instance at the top of the desktop to have some reminders. And looks like there's different colors. Let's see. Oh, we can make it green even. Fantastic. All right, we can throw it in the trash. We can even bring up this one. Okay, and so here's a sticky note from another computer. Yeah, another one of my computers. So remember to have fun again. Okay, you can click that, and what do we got? Oh, it's over here on this one too. So that is a very convenient. What are the settings? Okay, so enable insights, confirm before deleting. Dark mode, I've got it in dark mode instead of light mode. Okay, and a few other bits and pieces. Oh, export notes. Oh, you can export them somewhere else. There you go. What happens when we do that? Your notes sync to Outlook and are included in your mailbox. Click on the link below to learn about exporting your Outlook data. Okay. Let's close that up. So that's sticky notes. You can have a bit of fun with that. You can even bold, italic, underline, cross out, bullets, add an image. Oh, let's do that. Okay. Let's see, do I have an image in mind? There we go, let's put that one. Oh, nice. I like it. I like it. Okay. Well, I've moved my taskbar over to the left here. Yeah, auto hide it. Yeah, it's good. I like having the extra space. Yeah, so you can just set it up the way you like it. This one over here is widgets, so you can have your weather, traffic, appointments, yeah, other things. Search the web up there. Widget settings. Okay, what's this for gaming? Oh, let's see what happened. Gaming. League Championship Series Spring, February 13th. Oh, really? Well, I don't think I need to know that stuff, so remove the widget. Okay. Cool. So, come out of that. And what else do we have here? So, we got Wi-Fi settings, device manager, sticky notes, sort of things that I've done recently. Searching. You can always go up here and search. So I'm debating whether or not to get rid of that. I think I probably will. So to do that, just right click taskbar settings and search. So we'll turn that baby off. There's other things that you can do here. There's quite a lot of functionality with Windows 11. So what I might do is add Power Toys and see what that's like in the near future as well. Let me know if you'd like to see that. Put the comments in the comment section of the video. Would be great. Well, if you want to see some more videos on the new Alder Lake computer that I built and Windows 11 and Windows 10, and well, just subscribe and you'll get notified of those videos. I've got one coming up about some Wi-Fi stuff. So, yeah. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary, and don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.